Hey guys, Sally here. I'm the drone girl. Behind me, we are setting up for Palm Springs Drone Fest. This is the ultimate drone fan event. It's going to be a fun-filled weekend of a drone light show, drone stalkers. I'm here as a VIP guest, and I can't wait to share everything that this weekend has in store with you. Come join me. Right now it's Friday afternoon. You're watching the setup for all sorts of fun activities. There's going to be drone soccer, drone racing, a drone light show. And this right here behind me is the drone setup in a grid for the drone light show happening tonight. I'm pretty confident this is going to be the coolest drone light show I've seen yet. That's because this show incorporates not just drones, but also all sorts of other live stuff, live music, live performances. It's going to be great. The drone show tonight is going to have 500 drones. This show is put on by a company called Skyworks. Skyworks is based out of Boise, Idaho, and they've put on events for big sporting events, for weddings, proposals, and Palm Springs Drone Fest. Now, this show is going to be more than just a drone light show. There are Jedis who are going to add live performances. There's going to be a whole air show aspect. That's Promo Drone.
Man, you're making it happen.
Thank goodness the sun has gone down because it is hot outside and we are also that much closer to tonight's drone show. I'm so excited for you to see this drone show, which was held on the stadium here at Palm Springs High School. There were all sorts of VIPs in attendance at this event. That's Skip, the mastermind behind the drone show. And as the sun started to set, the stands got fuller and fuller. Palm Springs Drone Fest, we're here!
You to get together on the right-hand side of the field.
What was fun about this was how many people were involved in this drone show, even the parade of STEM students to kick it off. Now, I've attended tons of air shows before. There's EAA Air Venture in Oshkosh. San Francisco has its own Fleet Week, but this air show is entirely drone focused and unlike any others. It kicked off with a live promo drone. Then we moved to some live FPV freestyle, which you can see the crowd went wild for these drones doing all sorts of acrobatic tricks. This was my first time seeing something called orb racing.
Part of the challenge.
And then I think the highlight for a lot of people, myself included, was drone soccer. This was a full tournament, but part of the air show included a drone soccer demonstration. Of course, this interlude of Jedi lightsabers was an incredible part of the air show as well. Then it was time for the drone light show to take off. This show had 500 drones and they flew in all sorts of formations, some honoring Palm Springs, some honoring Palm Springs Unified School District, which really provided the venue for this event. And then, of course, we got to celebrate drone soccer, which was sort of the centerpiece of this event. After the drone show concluded, we all went home for the day because we had a busy day ahead of us on Saturday. This was a day filled with the drone soccer tournament as well as tons of hands-on demos. And every good drone event has an Ewok. You're looking at some demonstrations from Drone Cadets, which is a really cool program created by my friend Tony Reed.
Drone light shows.
Drone light shows! Right. He puts on all sorts of drone courses, including a drone light show course. This is designed for students.
All these kids are taller than me.
Now, this course is normally 20 hours and $25,000 for the group, but we all got to participate in an abridged version here.
All right, Bill, where you at? Don't stand up, Bill.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
With this course, we headed to the basketball courts and put on our own drone light show. Fun fact, this is the first time I've ever seen an indoor light show with my own eyes. Now, the bulk of this tournament is drone soccer. Behind me, there are all sorts of matches happening. These teams came internationally. They're going head-to-head. We are here to find the drone soccer team winner. This is a huge international sport, and it's great for the U.S. to have a hand in it here at Palm Springs Drone Fest. Kids as young as 5 years old are playing drone soccer. With it, they not only battle each other out, but they also learn the STEM aspect of it. That includes soldering, flying, building your own gear. The gist of it, players try to get this 40-centimeter drone soccer ball into the hoop.
We need to get more points.
I'd consider this Drone Fest something of the Comic-Con of drones. I'd love to see how this format, which is immersive, inclusive, and visually spectacular, become the norm when it comes to drone events. I'm already counting down to next year.